I bought and tested these freestanding bathtubs so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Trust me, I've been there and I know the struggle of finding the perfect tub for your home. Let's dive into the details of these top contenders.
Product number 1, Pro Tub Filler Faucet. When I first laid eyes on the Pro Tub Filler Faucet, I was struck by its sleek matte black finish that promised to transform my bathroom aesthetics. I installed it over a weekend, and right from the start, the experience was exhilarating. The installation process was straightforward thanks to the included instructions and hardware. Once it was up, the waterfall feature blew me away. The water cascaded like a gentle stream, filling my tub in record time. The multi-function handheld shower wand made rinsing off a breeze, and I loved how I could switch between shower modes effortlessly. What really stood out was the construction quality. It felt solid and durable in my hands, a mix of brass, copper, and stainless steel that gave me confidence in its longevity. Pros. First off, the design is just stunning and fits perfectly with modern bathroom decor. The high water flow rate is a game changer. No more waiting ages for the tub to fill. The multifunctionality of the handheld shower makes it suitable for various uses, from cleaning to pet showers, and it's easy to switch modes. The matte finish isn't just for looks. It's highly resistant to corrosion and wear, ensuring it stays looking new for years. On the downside, the only slight issue I faced was the need for precise installation. If you're not handy, you might want to hire a plumber. Also, the matte finish can show water spots if not wiped down after use, but that's a minor trade-off for the overall aesthetic. Why buy it? If you're looking for a modern tub filler that not only performs exceptionally, but also elevates the style of your bathroom, the Pro is a fantastic choice. Its combination of functionality and design makes it a worthy investment for anyone looking to enhance their bathing experience.
Product number 2, OneBook Portable Bathtub. Let me tell you about the OneBook Portable Bathtub. Initially, I was skeptical about using a foldable tub, but after setting it up, I was pleasantly surprised. The starry blue color is inviting, and the canvas material feels surprisingly sturdy. The first time I filled it up with hot water, I couldn't believe how well it retained the heat thanks to its 6-layer insulation. I relaxed in there for hours, soaking my worries away, and I truly felt like I was at a spa. The size is generous. I'm 6 feet tall, and there was plenty of room for me to stretch out comfortably. The pros are that the insulation is a standout feature. It kept the water warm for over 3 hours. It's also incredibly easy to set up. Just a few poles and you're good to go. The portability is a huge plus. I can take it anywhere, whether it's the backyard, camping trip, or just to the living room for a cozy soak. However, it's not perfect. The bathtub is a bit bulky when folded, which might be a concern if you have limited storage space. Also, while it's sturdy, I'd recommend being cautious if you're on the heavier side, as it might not feel as secure under you during use. Why buy it? If you're searching for a versatile bathtub that offers both hot and cold therapy, the OneBook is an excellent choice. It's perfect for anyone who values convenience and comfort, making it a great addition to your home relaxation routine. Product number 3, Ryu Wonku Freestanding Tub Faucet, which I was excited to try out due to its modern design. Installing it was a straightforward affair, and once mounted, it transformed my bathroom into a mini spa. The ultra-high water flow rate is phenomenal. It filled my tub in mere minutes. The gooseneck spout is not just stylish, it provides incredible flexibility. I loved being able to rotate it 360 degrees, making rinsing and filling much easier. The dual-function handheld shower is a fantastic feature too. Switching between modes was seamless and made cleaning the tub a lot less of a chore. Pros, the all-metal construction feels incredibly robust, and the matte black finish adds a touch of elegance. The high water flow is a standout feature, making bath times efficient. The ease of installation is another plus. Even if you're not a DIY expert, it comes with all the necessary components. Plus, it's backed by a solid warranty, giving you peace of mind. Cons,
On the flip side, it's a bit on the pricier side compared to other faucets, but I believe the quality justifies the cost. Also, I noticed that the spout can splash a bit if the water pressure is too high, so you might want to adjust it accordingly. Why buy it? If you're in the market for a durable and stylish tub faucet that delivers both performance and aesthetics, the Ryu Wanku is an excellent option. It melds luxury and practicality, making it a worthy addition to your bathroom.
Product number 4, Uniragi Portable Bathtub. The Uniragi Portable Bathtub, I was really drawn to its sleek green design, and when I first used it, I was amazed at how easy it was to set up. The tub is spacious enough to accommodate my full body, and I appreciated that it's dual purpose, perfect for both hot baths and ice baths. I filled it with ice water after an intense workout, and it was a game changer for muscle recovery. The insulation kept the water cold, allowing me to enjoy a longer soak without needing to refill. Pros: the portability is a major highlight. It's lightweight and can be folded to a compact size, making it easy to transport. The 5-layer insulation is impressive, ensuring that the temperature is maintained for an extended period. The quick assembly is also a plus. Within minutes, I was submerged in my own spa. Cons: one downside is that while it's great for recovery, it might not be as comfortable for long soaks if you're looking for a traditional bathtub experience. The material, while sturdy, does require careful handling to avoid punctures. Why buy it? If you're an athlete or someone who loves to have the freedom of soaking anywhere, the Uniragi Portable Bathtub is a fantastic investment. It offers versatility and ease of use, making it a great addition to your wellness routine. Product number 5, Zenist Foldable Portable Bathtub. I was impressed with its design right off the bat. The soft touch interior made my bathing experience feel luxurious, and the 6-layer insulation was a pleasant surprise. I filled it up with hot water one evening, and it retained the heat beautifully. The large 105-gallon capacity allowed me to fully immerse myself, which was pure bliss after a long day. Setting it up was a breeze. I had it ready in seconds, and the collapsible feature means it takes up very little space when stored. Pros: the dual-purpose design is fantastic. It suits both hot and cold baths, making it versatile for any season. The quick setup and easy portability are game changers, allowing you to take your bath anywhere. The quality of the materials used is evident. It feels durable and reliable. However, it is on the larger side, which might be a concern for those with limited space. Additionally, while it's built to last, you still need to be cautious about dragging it over rough surfaces to avoid any potential tears. Why buy it? If you're looking for a freestanding bathtub that combines convenience, comfort, and style, the Zenist is an excellent choice. It's perfect for anyone who wants a flexible bathing solution that doesn't compromise on quality. In conclusion, each of these freestanding bathtubs brings something unique to the table. Whether you prioritize design, functionality, or portability, there's a perfect fit for everyone. So go ahead and invest in one of these amazing products to elevate your bathing experience.